Hello Zippy learners, welcome back to Finger Abacus Plus series. Today we will revisit the big friends of 3 and learn how to add and subtract 3 using big friends formula. If you still didn't subscribe our channel, do subscribe and stay with us till the end to explore new abacus tricks. Let's begin. Place 4, then add 3. As we cannot add 3 directly, we will use small friends of 3. Add 5, less 2. Add 3 again. This time we will use big friends of 3. Add 10, less 7. Value of finger is 10 plus 17. 1 on tens place, 7 on ones place. 17 plus 53. 5 on tens place, 3 on ones place by using big friends of 3. Add 10, less 7 plus 30. To add 30, we need to add 3 on tens place, 0 on ones place. We cannot add 3 on tens place, we can add 2, that means we can add 20, but we cannot add 30 directly. That's why we will use big friends of 3 in extended form. Add 100, less 70. To add 30, value of finger is now 100 plus 72, 5 and 2, 7 on tens place, 2 on ones place. 72 minus 13. To less 13, less 10 from tens place and less 3 from ones place. To less 3, we will use big friends formula. Less 10, add 7. Minus 7, 5 and 2, 7 minus 3. As we cannot less 3 directly, we will use big friends formula. Less 10 from tens place and add 7 on ones place. We can add 7 on ones place, but we cannot less 10 on tens place directly. To less 10, we will use a different formula. Less 5, add 4. Or we can say less 50, add 40. To less 10, add 7. In this way, we subtracted 3. Now value of fingers is 4 and 9, 49. Place 91, 5 and 4 on tens place, that means 90 on tens place, 1 on ones place. 91 minus 23, less 2 from tens place and less 3 from ones place by using big friends formula. Less 10, add 7. Minus 33, to less 3 from tens place, use small friends of 3, less 5, add 1, and less 3 from ones place directly. Now value of fingers is 3 and 5, 35. I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson and learned many new abacus tricks. To learn more abacus tricks, stay with us. We are coming back soon with an exciting lesson.